Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best cheap soldering stations on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the YIHUA 926360W Digital Display Soldering Iron Station Kit. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The YIHUA 926360W Digital Display Soldering Iron Station Kit is a high-quality tool designed for precision soldering tasks. With a 60W power output, it provides quick heat-up times and stable performance, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The digital display allows for easy temperature adjustment between 194 degrees Fahrenheit and 896 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you full control over your soldering process. This feature ensures that you can work on a wide range of materials with accuracy and efficiency. The kit comes with a variety of accessories, including a soldering iron, tips, and a cleaning sponge, making it a comprehensive solution for your soldering needs. The station is equipped with safety features such as an anti-static design and temperature calibration, ensuring your components are protected during use. Whether you're working on electronics, repairs, or DIY projects, the YIHUA 9263 offers reliable and consistent performance for all your soldering tasks. Number 2 is the Weller 70W Digital Soldering Station. The Weller 70W Digital Soldering Station is a highly efficient tool designed for precise soldering tasks. With 70 watts of power, it heats up quickly and maintains a stable temperature, making it ideal for both professional and hobbyist use. The digital display allows for easy temperature adjustment between 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 850 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring you can fine-tune the heat for various soldering projects. This precision helps avoid damage to sensitive components, providing a reliable solution for electronics repairs and other delicate tasks. The station comes with a durable soldering iron and offers excellent control, thanks to its ergonomic handle and comfortable grip. It also includes safety features such as a temperature lock and an auto shutoff function, which helps extend the life of the tool. Whether you're working on intricate soldering jobs or general repairs, the Weller 70W Digital Soldering Station provides the consistency and performance needed for a wide range of applications. And to finish, the first position goes to the WEP882D Soldering Iron Station 2IN1. The WEP882D Soldering Iron Station 2IN1 is a versatile tool that combines both soldering and desoldering functions in one station. With a 60W soldering iron and a separate desoldering gun, it provides an efficient solution for various electronic repair tasks. The temperature is adjustable from 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, giving you full control to work with a wide range of components and materials. Its digital display makes it easy to set and monitor the temperature for precise work. This station also includes additional features like ergonomic handles for both the soldering iron and desoldering gun, ensuring comfort during use. The included desoldering pump helps remove excess solder quickly and effectively, making repairs more efficient. The WEP882D is perfect for electronics enthusiasts and professionals who need reliable, all-in-one equipment for soldering and desoldering tasks. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 soldering stations that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.